Let's keep pushing. Let's keep pushing. 4.2, interpreting what it means in terms of money. I love it. First things first, let's analyze the graph. Pump it up, pump it up. Potential earnings in dollars, number of t-shirts. The more we sell, the more money we make, of course. Definitely. Ask yourself, can I have negative shirts? You should be able to say no. Okay. If I sold 0 shirts, I make $0. If I sell 2 shirts, I make $30. If I sell 4 shirts, I make 60. And if I sell 6 shirts, I make 90. Definitely write it out. Don't forget that the number of shirts is our X value. Potential earnings is our Y value. Here we go. Of course, we just talked about it. X is shirts. Y is dollars. Interpret the meaning of the origin. If you don't know what the origin is, it's 0, 0. Of course, we just talked about it. If I have 0 shirts and $0, need to make sure that we understand that. 0 shirts. Oh. I always make little mistakes when I get excited, ladies and gentlemen. 0 shirts equals $0. Write the function E of t. This is where it'll get a little complicated. I want to stick to just making sure we can write this table. This graph, you should know this coordinate is 0, 0. This coordinate right here is 230. This coordinate right here is 460. This coordinate right here is 60. Oops. $60, $90. Okay. That forms a table, of course. X, Y. We got 0, 0, 230, 460, 690. Pause the video so you can copy, of course. Take your time. We don't want to rush. To write this function, of course, table, stat, edit. Table, stat, edit. Table, stat, edit, ladies and gentlemen. Sorry, I'm getting excited. Let's get out of here. Stat, edit. Delete all this junk. I think we had 0, 2, 4, 6. Let's double check. 0, 2, 4, 6. Love it. Pause the video if you need to. Don't let me run off. You can pause the video. 0, 30, 60, 90. Okay. Stat. Gotta go to calc. 4. Y equals 15x plus 0. Gonna write that down. Downstairs where it says write a function. Y equals 15x plus 0. I'm going to ignore this for just a second. I'm gonna do it on the next page. Okay, they want us to know what each part means. Now, I am not going to go into specifics, but I'm going to change up the colors. So we should know that this is a coordinate, which is x, and then y. After that, we should also know that no matter what, this is my x side and this is my y side. which is exactly what we're doing. So if we want to write it in terms of what it's saying, where it says y equals 15x plus 0, all I got to do is change out these letters. Instead of y, I put this ugly mess. Put the 15. Instead of x, I put this T for t-shirts. Don't worry about the 0 because of course we don't need a 0. And there we go. Again, y equals to that, x to t. Pause the video if you need to. Now, of course, whatever's in the parentheses represents our t. So we need to make sure we understand, oh, it's multiplying. Duh. 15 times 2. 15 times 5. And then 15 times 2.75. Calculator, calculator, calculator. 15 times 2, 30. 15 times 5, 75. 15 times 2, times 2.75. 30, 75, 41, 25. Great. Let's keep going. Pause if you need to. I don't want the videos to be as long as the previous one. Okay, very hard, very good. To determine the number of teacher shows it takes to earn $100, you should know, what does the money represent? It's dollars. Is that X or Y? We talked about it earlier. Let's make sure we remember that X is shirts and Y is dollars. Okay? So because this is $100, we're gonna make sure we label it as Y. And then we could definitely solve using this good stuff. Rewriting this mess. Y equals 15 X. Gonna write this part on top of it so we can remember that it's the same exact thing. And we wrote this part up top, replacing ET with Y, replacing T with X. And then we should be able to figure this out. Instead of Y, we write the 100. And we have to solve for X. These are Mary multiplication. Make sure you divide. 15, 15. X equals this ugly mess right there. Okay. Not going to talk about this stuff only because this is extremely difficult, and that's the end of this video. Perfect.